The red umbrella. It was a rainy afternoon in a small town called Green Valley. The sky was dark and the rain was falling softly on the streets. A 17-year-old girl named Emma was walking home from school. She was carrying a small school bag, but she had forgotten to bring an umbrella. "Why did I forget my umbrella today?" Emma said to herself. She walked faster, trying to protect her books from the rain. Suddenly, she saw a bright red umbrella near a bus stop. The umbrella was beautiful. It was completely red, with a small golden handle. Emma looked around. "Is this umbrella yours?" she asked an old man sitting on the bench. The man shook his head. "No, dear. I have never seen it before." Emma waited for a few minutes, but nobody came to take the umbrella. Finally, she picked it up. "I will use it today and bring it back tomorrow," she thought. Emma opened the red umbrella and started walking home. Something strange happened. Although the rain was falling everywhere, Emma noticed that the ground under the red umbrella was completely dry. She looked up. There was no hole in the umbrella. It was just an ordinary umbrella. "That's strange," she whispered. The next morning, Emma decided to return the umbrella to the bus stop. She reached the same place and put the umbrella on the bench. Then she walked away. But after a few steps, she heard someone calling her. "Wait." Emma turned around. An old woman was standing near the bench. She looked surprised when she saw the red umbrella. "That umbrella," the woman said. "Where did you find it?" "Yesterday I found it here," Emma replied. The woman smiled sadly. "This umbrella belonged to my daughter," she said. Emma became curious. "What happened to your daughter?" The old woman looked at the rain. "Many years ago, my daughter left this town. Before she left, she gave me this umbrella. She told me that one day, if someone kind found it, I should give it to that person." Emma looked at the umbrella. "But why me?" she asked. The old woman smiled. "Because yesterday, you helped a little boy at the bus stop. You gave him your school bag to protect him from the rain." Emma remembered the boy. She had almost forgotten about it. The old woman continued, "My daughter always believed that kindness should be passed from one person to another." She handed the red umbrella back to Emma. "Keep it." Emma smiled. From that day, whenever it rained, Emma carried the red umbrella. But she never kept its kindness to herself. If she saw someone without an umbrella, she shared it. If she saw someone struggling, she helped them. And slowly, something wonderful happened. People in Green Valley began helping each other more often. Years later, Emma still had the red umbrella. It was old and a little damaged, but she never threw it away. For Emma, it was not just an umbrella. It was a reminder that even a small act of kindness can travel a long way. And sometimes, the smallest things can change an entire town. The red umbrella had taught Emma one simple lesson. Kindness is like an umbrella. When you share it, everyone stays a little warmer and a little safer. Thanks for watching.